So I switched the camera off for a little while just so that I could get the pins in, because it was awkward and it was just going to mess you about. I also, while I took the chance, I had a look through my parts bin and I found 4 very nice silver screws. Although that one doesn't look too great, because what I decided to do was I decided that I would, because this had screws missing, I thought, right, these are ovaled or beveled screws, these are flat, let's have a bit of consistency and let's change them all to the same type of screw, is what I decided to do. So that's what I did. Call me mad if you like, but I thought, well, you know, it's got to be a way to go, isn't it? At least it's back to some sort of consistency. Just a bit tight, that one. There we go. Wrong hole. Silly boy. Pop it in. Okay, so where's next? Yeah. Not really looking forward to this bit. I'll lay that on top of there. Oh no, it's not good, is it? It's even harder to see. You see it down there? Yeah. Isn't that just the most bizarre shape for a, excuse me, for that to end in? You know, most pallet forks don't end like that. But again, it is a very classy watch, so they say. BW Raymond, I keep calling them BJ, I don't know why. BW Raymond is most definitely a little bit special. This part about it is, does it go on the top or does it go underneath? Really? It's got to go that way round, surely. It's gone down like that. Stand the jewel. Downwards with the chair. Boink. Yeah, it's in its jewel, alright. Okie dokie. So, see how much of a fight we're going to have with this. got to turn this sideways a bit. I can see where I'm at. No, something wrong there. No. No, 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 no. Very delicate, this bit. It's not coming right the way around. Now, why is that? Why is that doing that, I wonder? Has it got hooked on? Oh no, I can see what the problem is. Because it's got that big tail on it, it doesn't sit, well, I suppose you'd say, is nose down enough. It gets caught in the back of the escape wheel. How much drama can you actually put up with? Doing it again. This is so fragile. See, it keeps getting stuck in that position. I know you can't see very much of this, and I do apologise, but I think, well, that took a while. I don't know why, but no matter how I tried, that just did not want to go back in to its correct place. So, I don't know why. You know, just crazy sometimes. Sometimes it is just crazy. But that's the beauty of working with the pocket watches. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, they just don't want to play. And as much as I like making these videos, for your entertainment, always the watch must come first. But, you know, well, we seem to be there, or thereabouts. So now a little drop of oil. There a drop. Wrong glasses again. Okay. Right, hopefully the final leg. Now, hopefully the final leg. Well, it's in. Okay, screws. That's the screw I'm looking for. That's the one. Although it is a domed one, I believe that is the right one for it. So I came out of it. But like I say, we can maybe change that at a later date. No, I don't like that. Don't like it. Okay, well, let's put some power on it. If we can find the winder. Oh, what's happened there? It clicks loose. Maybe I was a little bit too heavy-handed with it. What's happening here? What's happened here? What's gone wrong now? I'm sure there's a case screw goes in there. Maybe that's. Let's just pop this one out again. The nasty screw. It didn't go right through. Can you believe it? It didn't go right through. Naughty screw. Ooh, there we go. That's got it. Naughty screw. A little block of oil. Got a little bit of sticky tape on the bottom of that, and it's stuck to everything. Let's try it without its thing on it. There you go. For some reason that screw didn't hold. It didn't hold. Alright, let's see if we can find a longer screw then. Truthfully, you could not make it up. Let's just put this one in here to hold it while we're trying it. And then I'll change it for a see, that's dropped right in as well. That's got it. So it needed a longer screw in there. Okay. Well, it's running, but that's no cause for celebration because it was running before. What I need to do now is leave this like this for a fair while to see if it stops. So I'll come back to it in an hour or two. Welcome back. Well, it's been running for quite a while now in all different positions. I've had it upside down, inside out and round, and it seems to be running okay. So what I've decided to do is we're going to put it all back together and get it back in its case. Now you might remember when we did the video that this screw here was really loose, didn't want to come out, so I've decided, rather than damage another thread that was previously damaged by someone else, not me I might add, I've just tightened the other one over there back up, and we're going to leave it like that. We're not going to do anything more with it. Just can't see the point in pushing my luck. So now I put on the cannon pinion. It'd be so kind as to cooperate. No, it doesn't want to go back on. There we go. Our wheel, etc. Our wheel, etc. A dab of oil. Gosh. Just a little dab of oil. Right, are we ready for the face? I think we are. I think we're all there. So, the face goes on at, winds at 12, doesn't it? There we go, face on. Just tighten up the screws. This one. Two. Three. Oh. Number 3. Bump, 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 bump. Okay. I also took the liberty while it was apart to give the inside of that a real good scrub, because it was, like the rest of the watch, extremely dirty. Now I've not forgot anything, have I? That's on, that's on, that's on. Okay, let's pop it back into its case. Excuse me, you might miss a bit of this, because again, there we go. That's it. So here we are, case screws. One. And number 2. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So again, a little bit each side, so it pulls it in nice and level and square. we go. Let's get the back. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right. Our hand. Boing. Right. I'll put that on there, I think. Maybe not. Maybe it's got a mind of its own. There we go. Remember we said about the setting lever in the side? Let's just pop out the setting lever, that one that's there. Let's see if the handle's set. Very nice. How smooth is that? Yeah, that's great. Sorry, I just needed to hold it in my hand. And the minute hand. I've had a look online while I was waiting, and to be honest with you, I can't find an exact comparison for this watch. So I'm personally not sure about this hand. I will do a bit more research on it and I'll let you know what I come up with. So now I'm just going to check right through the run of the watch. Make sure that them hands are not catching on each other in any position. No, happy, happy, happy days. Let's hope I'm as happy when this little chappy goes on. Jump, chair down. Okay, and the same thing. We'll just wind through nice and slowly. So the hour hand misses it completely, which is obviously the lowest hand. And then what I do, I just leave the hour hand over the minute hand and let the minute hand do a complete swoop of its, sorry, the second hand, let the second hand do a complete sweep round so that it doesn't catch on that hand when it's sitting right above it. So it doesn't sit right, slip around. Anything, anything, anything? No. So now we can set the time by this railroad watch. Right. So what is it? 17:42. So again, I don't know why I do. I just go all the way around. So 13, 14, 15, 17, 42 just coming up. I'm just waiting for the I'm just waiting for it to change to 43. So that's the accuracy, there we go. So we're on 43. So that's the accuracy that they wanted these railway watches to be at. You could actually say it was 5:43 and you was bang on, which is pretty awesome, really. I'm just going to give the inside of the bezel a clean, so inside of the face a clean, and I'm going to pop that back on. Look around the edge, are we down nice and flat? Yep. And there you go. That, my friends, is a 250 quid watch. Of anyone's money. There's only 2 of these for sale in the United Kingdom. All the rest are in America. And there isn't one that I've seen on eBay, is it Craigslist or something else I checked in America. But that's the only one I've seen that is got all the increments between the minutes. So very nice. How pleased am I? Very nice. Very nice indeed. Couldn't be happier. That will be with me all day tomorrow so that I can check it when it's in use. It will just be in my pocket and then it will go into my personal collection. Fantastic. Fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. It means the world to me.